After summary, we will discuss about the main characters of the chapter. I want to drive a car. Mukesh. Mukesh is the main character of this chapter. Mukesh is from Firozabad. Firozabad is in UP near Agra. Every family of Firozabad is engaged in bangle making. People believe that they have been asked to make bangles for the entire nation, and they are thinking that this God-given lineage can never be broken. This God-given lineage can never be broken because generation after generation they are making bangles. They are not daring to do any other work. They believe that bangles are associated with marriage. They believe that bangles are associated with marriage. And as you know, in Indian marriage, bangles are considered auspicious, pure, holy thing. It is a symbolizing Indian woman's suhag. So they think that. So the bangle makers are thinking that bangle making is a divine work. Obviously, if you are doing any divine work, then you should be blessed. But here you will see that these bangles are leading a life that is full of misery, that is very pitiable. They are in a very pathetic condition and they are unable to feed the family. But they are spending generation after generation. They are toiling. They are doing hard labor, so hard labor that kills their initiative power. So, next, the elders did not allow their children to look for any other work. The elders did not allow their children to look for any other work than making bangles. If they are giving permission for doing any other work or looking for any other work, it means to say they are talking about dare, and daring is not part of their grown up. They are suppressed, they are strained by the sahukars, by the politician, by the landlords, or you can say money lenders, by the bureaucrats and by the police. These bangle makers are not happy with their lives. Why are they not happy with their lives? Because they are not having sufficient food. They are starving. They are starving. And they are not getting the sufficient food. After going through the chapter, you will find that a group of women who were in tattered saris, they told to the writer that we have not taken entire meal. We have not taken full meal throughout our life. It means to say that they are sleeping with half filling stomach. They are not satisfied with their life, but they are doing hard labor. And these women who are the old, these women have seen that their husbands have gone blind. These women are having bangles on their wrist, but there is no eyes in their life. They are at the age of the starvation and become blind before being adult. Yes? Why they are becoming blind? Because youngers, elders, all of them are joining the pieces of bangles and they are continuously polishing it. Due to the continuous polishing, they are losing their eyesight. They are becoming blind before being adult. And the next, they want to do more profitable and less hazardous work than but they are discouraged from all sides. The writer is saying that these people who are the bangle makers, they want to do any other work which is more profitable, which is having less hazards. But wherever they are looking for help, they are discouraged by the people. They are not they have not been given any help from any sides. So you can say that these people are discouraged, these bangle makers are discouraged from others one for any other work. And they want to do more. Police does not allow to organize their own trade unions. The police is not giving permission to these bangle makers to organize their own trade unions. If they dare to do anything, if these bangle makers are daring to do anything, any other work, then they are beaten by the police and sent to jail. Then they are beaten by the police and sent to jail. And Mukesh, who is the main character? No, you cannot say that he is the main character. The bangle makers. But the story is moving all around about the Mukesh, because Mukesh wants to be a motor mechanic. He is determined for it. He is focused on it. As he is having confidence that I would like to be a motor mechanic. Why we can say that he is having confidence? Because whenever Mukesh is talking to the writer, his eyes are straight to the eyes of the writer. And in our last chapter, in our last part, or you can say in our first part of this story, under title Sometimes I Find a Rupee in the Garbage, there we have seen that the Sahab is unable to face to the writer, looking far away. He said that I have started working on a tea stall. There was lack of confidence in the eyes of Sahib Alam. But here Mukesh is having confidence in his eyes, because he is having straight his eyes towards the writer and saying that I want to be a motor mechanic. And the writer asked one question from Mukesh: do you know anything about motor? Mukesh said that I will learn it. One more question is asked by the writer. The writer said that the garage is very far away from your house. But dear students, you can see the confidence of this boy, that very confident answer was given by Mukesh. He said that I will walk to that place, but I will learn about the motor. Then after I will become a motor mechanic. Thus guys, we can say that the whole story, I want to be a motor mechanic, about the bangle makers and about the Mukesh. These bangle makers are unable to do any other work, but Mukesh is saying that I would like to do some other work, and that work is to be a motor mechanic. Okay, let us go through line to line, so that it should be very easy for you people to write the summary and the character of the chapter. You can see my voice here in this video. The whole summary of the chapter is here. You can see that will be very beneficial for you people. Okay, you can see. Thank you.